What's going on today, guys? So I'll talk to you while I gear up. Today we're out on the Yakima River. We're going to be catching some smallmouth bass. So if you guys don't know my dog, it's Chewy. And Chewy absolutely hates water. But I found out a few months ago, I've only had this dog like 9 years, that he really likes fishing. He doesn't want to touch the water, he just wants to try and catch the fish. Got him. Little tiny guy. Oh, he came off too. Alright, that guy was tiny. He was pretty small. Only like, I don't know, 6 inches long. Oh, I missed it. There he's gone. That was a good hit. There's more water back there? There's more water back there. Look at that. I wonder if I can walk back there. I've never seen that before. Huh. Sure enough, there's another little pond just off to the side. There's no entrance to it. Interesting. I might have to come hit that sometime. So right now, and what I've had my most luck on this year so far, is a little tube bait. It's 2.5 inches long. Green pumpkin seed. I've just been throwing it out there, then it sinks to the bottom, and then pop it a few times. Sink to the bottom, pop it, and just repeat. Just bouncing it off the bottom real slow. And then hopefully you don't catch a bunch of weeds like that. But works really good on days that are tough, when you gotta go slow. The fishing up here in Washington this year. So we've had like record rainfalls, record snow. All the rivers have been browned out all freaking year. It's been tough. It's been tough. So I've been throwing this tube a lot. And I've been having pretty good success with it. Got him. Little guy. Dude, he's right here. Woo! Good. Go. Where is it? So there we go. First fish for the day. A little tiny smallmouth. Nothing to write home about, but still fun. Any luck?
Snagged into a car.
Nice.
How about you?
I've got 2. Well, I've got a 3rd. Oh, they came off. I had 3, yeah. Yeah. That's a good bass. Oh. 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 Well, that's what I'm talking about. Check this out. It looks like he got stabbed by something in the past. He's got a bone sticking out of him. Got into something that he didn't like. Alright, I'm going to weigh him real quick. guy. That one's pretty tiny, pretty small. Flare fish right there. I got one. Sounds like a pretty good one too. Not half bad. Not half bad at all. He's really dark in color, I'll tell you that. I'm not gonna weigh this guy because I'm in a hot spot, but it's probably 2 pounds. Let him go. Catch another one while we're over here. Got it. That's a good fish. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Get him, Chewy. Get him. Get him. Oh yeah, we got him. You know, not too bad. Probably a pound. Let him go. Just found a tackle box floating down the river. Check this out. Doesn't look like one of mine. Lucky it's still floating. Actually, it definitely looks like one of mine. Caught all mine though. Weird. Funny. Sweet new tackle box, I guess. Like I need more of them. Starting to get kind of late, so we're a ways up the river right now. Mosquitoes started coming out. Put my jacket on and some long jeans on. We're gonna run back, maybe hit one more spot, and then call it a day. Oh, airborne. Yeah, that's a good fish. Nothing like a last minute catch. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that, it's starting to get pretty dark out, but I think it's probably 2 pounds. Let this guy go. Did we catch fish? Yes, we did. Yeah, we caught lots of fish. Alright guys, well, I think that's where I'm going to wrap up the episode with this nice sunset going on behind me. So thanks for watching, and enjoy this little bit of B-roll while I run back to the dock. See you guys later.